Hello friends, I want to show you how to install Zoom application and how to send a meeting invitation. Firstly, we are installing Zoom application from the original website. As you notice that name of the Zoom application has been changed to Zoom Workplace. After downloading the Zoom application, we are installing it. You can notice that Zoom anymore don't let user to change installation directory, so use the default installation. After installing the Zoom application, now we are starting it. If you want to join a meeting prepared by anyone else, we are selecting Join a Meeting, so clicking Join a Meeting button. And then we are entering our meeting ID or personal link name to the described field and entering our name to the Enter Your Name field. And friends, you have noticed that there are three boxes here. First one is Remember my name for future meetings. Second, Don't connect to audio. And third one is Turn off my video. You can select Remember my name for future meetings if you want Zoom to remember your name for the next meetings. And the other ones are, if you don't want to connect with audio, don't connect with audio. Select Don't connect with audio. If you don't to show yourself, select Turn off my video. If you already have a Zoom account, press Sign in. But if you don't have a Zoom account, press Sign up. Here we assume we already have a Zoom account. So press Sign in and then enter your email and password and then press Sign in. If you want to remember Zoom for the next meetings, select Keep me signed in.